पणजे कुजरा शाळेन नवे ट्रॅफिक कायदे लागू केल्यात। BSNL पार्किंग आणि नवे पार्किंग अशा शाळेच्या विद्यार्थ्यां खातीर पार्किंगांक वेगळ्यो सुवातो उपलब्ध करून दिल्या। विद्यार्थ्यांच्या सुरक्षे खातीर ह्यो नव्यो सुविधा शाळेच्या मुख्याध्यापकाच्या तशेंच कचेरीची परवानगी घेवन पार्किंग कायदो लागू केला। भुरगीं आणि पालक हो कायदो पाळटली असो विश्वास येरादारी पुलिसान उक्तायला।
What we have decided is that the circulation plan for the Cujira complex will be like the people who are coming from Panjim side, Santangu side, they will be taking the highway. After the stadium gets over on the left side, so there is a road going to BSNL parking. So they are going to come inside the BSNL parking. There is an ample of new parking space which has been created by the government. So they are going to park their vehicles over there. The children are going to be dropped here, there at the parking, and from that parking lot to the respective schools and colleges that the child is going to go. This is one thing. Secondly, the buses which are getting the children, they are also going to come to the BSNL parking, park inside the BSNL parking lots. The school children are going to alight over there and they are going to go to the respective schools. This circulation plan we have decided in consultation with the school management, also some authorities, and I hope the children and the parents are going to follow this. All this we can say that we have done it in the interest of the children who are going to the school. Today you can see we have tried this new fashion of traffic circulation, and I feel a lot of kids and a lot of children are finding it easier to cross their school, come to their school. The paths are clear, and this is a new way we are looking forward for this new Cujira school complex.